Listeners, as you remain Jackson and Efia, we want to look at 2013 joint admission and matriculation examination past question. Now we want to look at this question here. As you remain Jackson and Efia, we have it here. The plants that grows in very dry areas are, if you can recall in your textbook, in your classes, that certain plants grow in a dry desert environment, and we have a name for them. Some grow in aquatic environments, some of them also grow in a moderate temperature environment, while some grows very well in a salty environment. Some plants even grow on top of another plant. We also have a name for them. So that is the question that JAMB have used to assess your level of intelligence. So let us analyze it together. And you see the option here, the desert plants, or plant that grows in the desert environment is called what? The xerophytes. We call it what? The xerophytes. Now, what of the epiphytes? Epiphytes are epi, outer, outer layer, outer. Now, plants that grow on another plant, we call them what? The epiphytes. The hydro from water. Hydro, water, phyte, representing what? The flora or plant. Now you see, plants, aquatic plants, or plants that do well in a waterlogged or aquatic environment, we call them what? The hydrophyte. Meso, in between moderate temperature plants, we call them what? The mesophyte. So the correct answer is what? The xerophyte. The next question, the movement of minerals and chemical compounds within plants occurs during which process? You see, we have here osmosis, translocation, transpiration, diffusion. The basic question here is the movement of minerals and chemical compounds. These chemical compounds can be food nutrients, manufactured nutrients such as glucose. Now, it can also be any of the chemical substance that flows in the latex. As a matter of fact, the confusion that students have is that minerals sourced from the salt from the soil make a movement through the xylem by the help of what? The process of osmosis and diffusion from region of high concentration to that of what? Low concentration. They enter the plant system. Now, this from the soil there is through the process of osmosis and diffusion. The movement, according to the equation, within the plant is a process we call what? Translocation. So translocation is the correct answer. We also look at the next question. We have a question here from 2013 also. It goes, the structural level II. Structural level what? As II is known as. Now, you identify the structure phase. This is a simple diagram of an earthworm, Ascaris lumbricoides. This worm, for you to identify it, it is an invertebrate, a segmented worm, which is being made up of hydrostatic skeleton. So you can see the different segments, and this region is a region that represents the environment for reproduction. Now you see the structure here, basically straight to the point, it is called the clitellum. The answer is what? Clitellum. As we recall that an earthworm is a nocturnal animal, a hermaphroditic organism, which possesses the sperm cell and also its egg. Recall that this egg cannot fertilize this egg. So, for reproduction, sexual reproduction to take place, you see that another earthworm will come in contact using another opening, another what? Clitellum. Now, also containing sperm cell and an egg cell. So, the clitellum is an opening for exchange of genetic material, a process we call a type of fertilization. A type of what? Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is being divided into two. The fertilization and what? The conjugation. Now at this point, this sperm cell cross to fertilize this sperm cell cross to fertilize this, passing through this opening we call the clitorium. They separate, H, go, becoming what? Pregnant. So that is the question that is being asked. I really appreciate your subscription to my YouTube channel, and also follow me up. Feel free to ask me any biological science question in the secondary, higher or A level institution, any level, any question you encounter. For those of you that will be writing this examination, I'm your friend, your brother. Have a nice day. Thank you.